Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to fix the order is not and cannot be delivered and shipped to your location. It's pretty simple and easy. First of all, make sure to log in with the right credentials. In the sidebar right here, go to settings, left bottom corner, click it. After that, as you can see here, shipping and delivery, select it. You have to create a custom profile right here. You can name it whatever you want. For example, test. Add your products, done. After that, in the shipping zone section, you have to add the zone and the rate to ship from this location. Simply click add shipping zone, select add more countries, regions and markets, and then it will redirect you to the market section. Click create international market, make sure it's active, plus 24 more. Go to edit, make sure to select all, select whatever country you want to ship to, and the most important thing is search for Israel and make sure you deselect it. Click done and then make sure you save your progress. Click manage shipping. Let's recreate the custom profile. We're going to rename it test, add the products, and then click add shipping zones. As you can see, make sure to select them all and then click done. Zone required like international and then click done. Make sure to save and you're good.